morning. Let's get on a paddle boat.
How are you guys doing?
And
Having a good time?
Of course.
Ready to paddle?
yes.
Alright, so what's gonna happen? We're gonna let you put on the life jacket. Safety first at all times. So this is the escalator. That's how it is? Escalator, right?
Yeah, one person.
Take your time, watch your step. Careful, alright?
I'll put my shoes on there.
Just so you know, guys, you can take your stuff if you want. You dress it beside you for the persons at the back, alright?
Yeah, 30 minutes. 5 minutes of Portia getting on the boat.
Ouch. It didn't take 5 minutes.
That's right.
Hi.
Bye.
Woo.
Oh wait,
can?
this is it?
It's right here.
Oh.
Yeah, but that means I have a good view though.
Yeah, I can't turn around. I'm not about to turn around.
Yeah, because she's going to turn around and she's going to drop her camera in the water.
I'm going to turn around and I'm going to fall off.
Let me know if you get tired, Amber. We can see if you can switch.
How?
In the middle water.
How? How?
I get tired.
I'm glad that I got that on camera. Because how on earth are we going to switch? Chloe trying to put her feet in the water to show that she could swim in an ocean. Chloe!
Does it feel like it's tilting? No.
Because you only have one freaking
I didn't say I
toe.
was going to put both freaking legs in it. You act like I'm going to feel confident swimming all the way back.
I don't know. You might.
Oh, here she goes.
What?
It's a yellow thing, Portia. Zoom in and see what that is.
I can't see.
Like sand.
That's a boat.
That's all you get it.
That's all you give me.
What do you want?
Portia filming. I thought you were taking a break from paddling.
I'm paddling.
Yeah, we
Take a break.
Oh.
Yeah, you got
Well, then we asked if you wanted to go further.
Yeah,
so
you
that's-
said yeah.
Yeah, but that's what y'all want to. You need to take a break. I don't know your legs. If you want to take a break.
Oh, you so nice.
If I go backwards, does that reverse?
No.
No, Portia.
Alright, so it's much later. We are dressed for dinner. What do we think? I got this dress from Micah's. These shoes, I got these shoes from Macy's. I think they're Steve Madden Girl. I got this necklace, this one, the Van Cleef lookalike from Chinatown. And then I think these are either from Amazon or Shein. I don't really remember. I got these when I was in Chinatown. And yeah, so that's it. That's the fit. But I have to go to dinner and I'm pretty sure I'm like just making it on time. So I'm supposed to be going to like one of the parties tonight, so I will vlog on my phone. And yeah, let's go to dinner. Let's start our night in Jamaica.
Final one, final one, final one, final one.
We are on our way to the bamboo.
In down there.
Hopefully you can hear me.
All jam.
Smiley, our driver, is telling us all about right now. We're in the actual like city of Montego Bay. So yeah.
So much.
Oh my god.
Oh, you guys stopped to buy.
Oh, that's the murder
Chinese building.
Here.
These are the legends and old and current reggae artists. So over here they keep a reggae. It's reggae summer festival, and we call it reggae summer fest. So every July.
Hopefully you guys can hear me. We're waiting for the bamboo ride right now. I'm vlogging on my cell phone because I didn't want to bring my camera, and we were instructed to bring as least amount of stuff as possible. So that's what we're doing, and we're so excited. Chloe, are you excited for the bamboo ride?
No, I'm excited.
Alrighty. Amber, are you excited for the ride?
Yes.
So,
Wait, so how you do that if you know you know?
Never been this prohibition, it's just by line.
officially the last night being in Jamaica. I am so sad. I really don't want to leave. I've been having so much fun, and I know I really haven't picked you guys up that much. I suck. I'm sorry. But I have made a lot of short form content. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, please, please, please go follow me on there. There's a whole bunch of like content for this whole entire trip on TikTok. But what I have been giving you guys and what really kind of isn't on TikTok is fit checks. So I haven't been giving you a fit check like every night, but majority of the time. So here's a fit check. All white party that the resort is having. If I didn't state it before, I'm staying at the Rue Palace in Montego Bay. So they have like, I think every week they have like all white party or a neon party or something. I got this cute little like balloon top, and then honestly, you guys, this is a tennis skirt. This is a like activewear tennis skirt, but if it works, it works. And then trusty clunky heels. These are Steve Madden Girl, I think. They look really heavy and chunky, but I'm telling you, they're light as a feather and they're super comfortable. I can run, I can walk, I can dance, you know. You know what I'm saying? Okay, well, the color is, I'm sorry, 608 Limitless Brown. 608 Limitless Brown. And then I use the NYX Fat Oil in the color Chillin' Like a Villain. And that's pretty much it. I did my brows. I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I put on a little bit of mascara. Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. Love it. Obsessed. And what else? For my blush, I use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Nice and My Dewy Flush. 20 out of 20 stars. I love it. It makes me look like I have on a full face of makeup when I really just have this on, and I did my brows and I put on some mascara and I did my lip, and that's it. So, now that I've just been dilly-dallying, it's time to party. All right, so I'll see you guys at the white party. I found useful for me is that I just start where I'm already standing in the room and just work my way around and kind of do like a, I wouldn't say a figure eight, but kind of like a loop-de-loop around, if you will. So the last place I was standing was the counter or by the bathroom. So I'm gonna grab all of my toiletries, everything over there, and then I'm gonna grab my suitcase, and then I'm gonna start on the closet because that's the next closest spot, and then grab anything else that's on like any counters or desks. That's how I do it. The next thing I do when I'm repacking for my clothes is separating everything that's clean from everything that is dirty. I never want to get clothes mixed up. So, and obviously, I'm just a girl. There's plenty of things that I have like brought that I have not worn. Not that much, not that much. I like to pride myself on not being too much of an overpacker. I do like to be a carry-on queen. Unfortunately, I couldn't boast about that this trip around because I packed too much stuff. I don't want to talk about it. So I just start going from the things that I know definitely need to go in the laundry as soon as I get home and unpack. And then from the things that I didn't even touch and I thought I would touch when I got here. So normally when I originally pack, I always like to do dresses, shirts, or dresses and pants and skirts all together, and then tops and all that other stuff together. We're not doing that. We're just separating the clean clothes from the dirty clothes. So I'm doing all the clean clothes first because it's always easier to figure out what you didn't wear as compared to what you did. I really wanted to wear this dress, but when I tried to wear it on Thursday night, I just did not feel confident in it whatsoever. And I don't know, it looked perfectly fine, but you know, if you're a girl, you know, like sometimes it doesn't hit and you're just like, ugh. All right, now time for the dirty clothes. So really quick before my camera dies, as you can see, it's a little thick, it's a little heavy, but that's because there's kind of more things in this suitcase than it was coming here, just because I was separating. And once I'm done with all of my packing, I pretty much have all of this left, and that's just my purse, so I'm putting everything in there. And then I have this bag that I just have to fill up, and that's my neck pillow. And as you can see, this is completely empty and there's nothing there. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything else in the safe, but safe is empty. Okay. So now all I have to do is just get my chargers for my electronics and we'll be good to go. Walking out to this view one last time. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. All right, so now we're in the lobby. We're about to leave. Morale is low.
I got a lifetime warranty, so
Morale is
Yeah,
low.
that's not
Everyone's sad. Well,
yeah.
they're having a conversation, but
Oh, anything.
they're sad.
I want to go, but I need to fix this tan line. No, it was Nexus.
Thank you.
We're sad. It's hard out here.
You said that.
They cut your bracelets off at the end, and I wanted to cry. No, I don't want to.
Get him out of here, drag him.
I don't want
You want the water flow? I'm gonna get a
to.
water.
But yeah, back home.